Dear viewers, you are welcome to the tutorial class where we shall consider some fundamental questions. In the realm of leadership, self-leadership serves as. The text explicitly states that self-leadership serves as the bedrock upon which all other leadership skills and qualities are built. Recall that self-leadership is a concept that revolves around an individual's ability to take charge of their own behavior, thoughts, and actions to achieve personal and professional goals. It is essentially the practice of leading oneself, and it's a fundamental skill for personal development and success in various aspects of life. This makes option B the correct answer as it accurately reflects the information provided in the text. Self-leadership is depicted as a fundamental and crucial aspect of leadership. What does self-leadership encompass in the context of leadership? The text explains that self-leadership encompasses the ability to understand one's strengths, weaknesses, values, and motivations. Understanding one's strengths, weaknesses, values, and motivations is a self-awareness process that involves a comprehensive assessment of individual capabilities and limitations, core principles and beliefs, and the driving forces that propel one's actions and decisions. This introspective insight not only aids in personal development but also informs informed decision-making, facilitating alignment with pursuits that resonate with one's authentic self and foster long-term fulfillment and success. Such self-awareness fosters the capacity to leverage strengths, address weaknesses, uphold core values, and harness intrinsic motivations, ultimately contributing to a well-rounded and purpose-driven life. Option B accurately summarizes this key aspect of self-leadership, emphasizing self-awareness as a critical component. What role does personal development play in leadership? Personal development is the ongoing process of enhancing one's skills, knowledge, mindset, and self-awareness with the aim of realizing one's full potential and achieving a greater sense of self-fulfillment. It encompasses a deliberate and systematic effort to foster personal growth, expand capabilities, and cultivate qualities such as resilience, adaptability, and emotional intelligence. Personal development often involves setting specific goals, seeking self-improvement opportunities, and continuously refining one's abilities and character to lead a more purposeful and satisfying life. The text highlights that personal development represents the ongoing process of self-improvement and growth, enabling leaders to adapt to changing circumstances and excel in their roles. Option C accurately captures the essence of personal development in the context of leadership, emphasizing its continuous and adaptive nature.
Let me tell you a story. Daniel, a 35-year-old man, embarked on a transformative journey of self-leadership. Recognizing that self-leadership is the foundation of effective leadership, he delved deep into understanding his strengths, weaknesses, values, and motivations. Through introspection and self-assessment, he unearthed his innate talents and areas needing improvement. With this newfound self-awareness, Daniel embarked on a relentless path of personal development. He committed himself to continuous learning and growth, reading books, attending workshops, and seeking mentorship. As he honed his skills and expanded his knowledge, he became increasingly adaptable to the ever-changing landscape of leadership. Over time, Daniel's self-leadership journey bore fruit, as he began to excel in his leadership roles. His ability to connect with others on a deeper level, empathize with their challenges, and inspire them to achieve their full potential became his trademark. Daniel proved that in the realm of leadership, self-leadership and personal development are not just buzzwords but the bedrock upon which extraordinary leadership is built.